So, what I was
Okay. Wow. It's a party.
But the Aardvark is so much for us. It's extending this out.
no, we know how to be outside.
Yeah.
And we want to be outside.
Well, it's amazing seeing 3 and 4-year-olds completely dress themselves and know all the steps. Yeah, in fact, they put up most of these boards with me. So yeah, I'm right there with them, kind of helping them use the driver, and they'll drive them in, and they're so proud of it.
Having our kids that are bigger in size help them. It just gives them that like,
Confidence.
but then it gives the little like, oh, thank you, and it lets them feel good about asking for help.
Yeah.
You know, and then they're not scared to ask for help, or they're not
cute.
getting frustrated, or